Hi, I'm Blair from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you a quick video how to make a collector for a drain tile where I have a low area in my lawn that's been flooded. I used the edger to edge the side in a straight line. Then I cut out those pieces aside with a shovel, so it made it real easy getting a consistent depth in this trench. Now, we take a layer of landscape fabric, we put it in the trench first, we line the base of the trench with stone, keep the fabric in place. Piece of pipe here you see down in my hole. What I've done is I've made a collector, which is a trench, which is only 1 shovel full deep. You don't have to dig forever to get this nice of a hole. So that when I cut the hole, the side came up perfectly clean, as you can see all my pieces of side here. So now I've laid in some landscape fabric and some stone. And I'm going to lay my pipe with holes in it. The holes go down into the stone bed. And what I do is I put a strainer at the end of whenever I run a pipe so I can locate it at a later date. And when I tap off this piece here, I'm obviously too low. So I made a T-assembly and I put a strainer on top of the T-assembly. Here is the pipe with the holes down, and I'm going to slide it into the T. This does not have to be perfectly level, nor does it have to have a pitch. So this pipe will collect water. I'm going to fill it with stone right to the very brim, and then this will take and collect water and send it down into my system, or my sump pump over here. See the pipe coming into the pit maybe, and that pump will pump it out to the lake. Here's the collector installed, surrounded in stone, a strainer at the very end so I can locate it after the grass grows and I want to inspect it, and a strainer here at the T, which is going to act as a clean out so I can see it to look at it. So here it is. I'm all done. I cut the grass 1.5 inches thick, laid it on top of my fabric and stones. I took a hose, I stomped it down to get it level with the grass. Here's the end of my collector. Here's the T that goes down and ties to my drain system, which goes to the sump pump. I'm showing you how quick and easy it is to make a trench or make a collector using water in the side and stomp it back into place. You hardly even know that I did this job now. Quick yard tip from MrHardware.com.